I'd seen, live in the village, so I'd seen the practice. I knew it when it had come here, and a lot of friends I knew were coming here. So gradually learned more about it from other people, but well, knowing that it was in the village.
Wonderful.
Particularly, I was looking to change dentists. My dentist had retired, so it was a good opportunity to change. It was the obvious choice. I'd been recommended. I knew about it, so I was quite happy to come. And my particular problem was that a crown that I had, which was well past its sell-by date, was needing replacing, and the only alternative was really an implant. So I knew that implants were done here. My dentist didn't do them, so it really was to get advice on having an implant.
And
with the whole package. I came in as a new patient. I was seen, assessed. I had treatment that I didn't think I needed, but I was really happy when it was all completed. And of course then the implant, which was the main reason, we talked about that, found that it was viable, and so we went down the route of having the implant which I wanted, and very successfully and very well done, very pleased.
wonderful.
Totally painless in every respect. The service is impeccable. I mean, it's lovely. It's a nice place to come into. Everyone's smiling, everyone welcome. It's a very relaxed atmosphere, which is nice. Everyone's so friendly. It isn't like going to the dentist at all. Not at all. Everything went just perfect. From that, I've got no complaints. There weren't any problems. I don't know how a problem would be treated. I'm sure it would be treated fantastically, but everything went absolutely according to plan.
Wonderful.
Everything was fine. When you get a text to say, "Are you all okay?" It's you're being thought about. And I was absolutely confident that if there'd been a problem, I could have come back. I could have phoned up, and it would have been dealt with.
Wonderful.
The team are delightful. No, all of them, and I've never been sort of met almost all the team. I started off with Liam, who was lovely, really nice. Then I went to Neel to do the implant. In the middle, I did have a problem because I had another crown that needed some treatment, and I had a root canal with Vicky, which was the best root canal I've ever had done. So
if there is a good root canal,
if there is, and so it was lovely. The whole team, I can't fault them. Very pleased. It's only this morning that I've had the final checkup, which is but very pleased. No problems. I'm very pleased. Yes, I think so. I mean, I'm well aware that to have an implant, it's an expensive option, and I was well aware that what the cost would be. It was never, it didn't come as a great shock. But the way that you can pay, sort of in various stages, make that easier, and I'm very pleased with the results. So I think it will be good value for them. I think it's excellent. Lovely. No, it was really nice to be met by someone before you came in, to have everything sort of talked through, so that you weren't going in and feeling that everything came as a bit of a shock. There was never anything that, sort of everything was talked through, considered, and I knew exactly the route we were going down. So I think it's a very, very good idea. Absolutely. Yes.